Now, in this video, we'll be talking about the diurnal relationship. We know there are three diurnal relationships basically between lithium and magnesium, right? Beryllium and aluminum, and boron and silicon, right? But here we will be only targeting on lithium and magnesium. See, there is a relationship between lithium and magnesium, and that we have to understand the chart like this. Lithium is here and magnesium is here. So they will always show tendencies, or they will always show properties which would be similar, right? First property that we can talk about here is, we're going to chemical properties first, that lithium reacts with oxygen to form lithium oxide. That is, it might look like L4H2O, but this is Li2O, right? Lithium oxide. Simply I've cut it because it was appearing to be like 4, but you can take it like this, lithium 2 oxide, right? And magnesium reacts with oxygen, also forms magnesium oxide, and both of them are monoxide. As you can see, there is only one oxygen present. We can say they are both monoxides, right? Second property, lithium reacts with nitrogen to form its respective nitride. Very similarly, magnesium also reacts with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride. Whereas other components of first group elements we have done before, your first group के elements हैं, they do not form their respective nitrides, but lithium very eagerly forms nitride, as do magnesium. So they have some properties which are similar, right? Similar way, lithium has the third property, or the third component that we can see here is lithium forms hydroxide, right? Lithium forms hydroxide, and lithium also have lithium carbonate. Lithium carbonate. These both are sparingly soluble in water. They are very sparingly soluble in water. Now next, as we continue here, in the next property, what we can do is that lithium, right, we can say that hydroxides of lithium and carbonate, जो हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड कार्बोनेट है, इसी प्रॉपर्टी से वी कैन टेक दैट हाइड्रोक्साइड ऑफ लिथियम एंड कार्बोनेट ऑफ लिथियम और magnesium, right? MgOH2 and magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. These are all four components. These are actually, we can say, they are not thermally stable, and they decompose on heating. So let's see what happens. Lithium hydroxide on heating forms Li2O plus H2O, balancing 2 LiOH, right? Similar way, MgOH का whole twice breaks down into MgO plus H2O. What are we looking for? That they are not very thermally stable. On heating, they will decompose, both hydroxide as well as carbonate. Li2CO3, that is lithium carbonate for you people, will decompose into Li2O plus CO2 carbonate, carbon dioxide gas is released. Whereas MgCO3 straight away will decompose on heating. I'll put a sign of heating everywhere. Will give you MgO plus CO2. So this is basically what these three properties talk about. Next will be in the same video, क्योंकि हम nitride की बात यही करी थी, we'll be talking about nitrates also, right? What happens with nitrates is that lithium nitrate NO3 will decompose into lithium oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus O2. If you remember, आपने कुछ ऐसे क्लास 10th में पढ़ा था, where it was lead nitrate, where it decomposed to form lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen, dense brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide were formed, right? वो metallic property है, but यहाँ हम lithium की बात करें. Lithium will similarly decompose like this, and magnesium will also, magnesium का nitrate will also very similar, NO3 का whole twice हो जाएगा, will decompose on heating. It will also decompose into MgO plus NO2. These are the components that are formed. Balance करने के लिए, let's balance them also. So lithium 2 here, 2L4. If you put 4 here, 2 lithium and 4 NO2, that is balanced. Similar way here, 2 MgO, 2 MgO will have 4 NO2, and so you get that lithium oxides, or lithium, we can say lithium nitrates or magnesium nitrates, on heating will decompose into respective oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen.